Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to convert email addresses in Excel to email message with formula. Supposing there is a column of email addresses and what you need to do is copy these emails to the to CC or BCC section of an email message. Except entering these email addresses one by one manually, is there any quick tricks to copy these email addresses to the to CC or BCC section of an email message? To copy email addresses from Excel cells to email message, you can use the following formula. Select the cell with the email address and double quotation, semicolon, double quotation, enter. Then drag the autofill handle over the cells you need to apply this formula. Now you can copy these selected emails and paste them into the to or BCC or CC sections of email message window. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.